In these videos, you will learn English by looking at real-life pictures. We describe what's happening in each image, using simple words and clear sentences. This helps you build useful vocabulary and understand natural English. You will also learn how to talk about everyday situations with confidence. Along the way, we include basic grammar tips and common sentence patterns. Everything is spoken slowly and clearly, so it's easy to follow and repeat. This way, you can practice speaking, listening, and thinking in English, step by step. After listening to the text, we would like to hear from you. How would you describe this picture in your own words? Share your ideas in the comments and practice writing in English. Let's get started.
In this picture we see a woman sitting alone at an outdoor cafe. She is sitting at a round table with a white top. There is a small cup and saucer on the table in front of her. The woman is wearing black sunglasses and smiling. She has long brown hair and is dressed in a long light-colored coat. She is also wearing shiny black leggings and black shoes. Her legs are crossed under the table. She is sitting on a chair made of bamboo with a green and white woven seat. The cafe has many similar tables and chairs. Most of the tables are empty. There are two people sitting farther away on the left side. They are also sitting at the cafe but are not near the woman. Behind her is a large glass window showing the inside of the cafe. The glass reflects light and other tables from the street. The cafe is located along a street with trees and street lamps. The sun is shining and there are shadows on the ground. The woman looks relaxed and happy. She seems to be enjoying a quiet moment outside. The street is not very busy. There are a few people in the background, but it looks peaceful. The chairs and tables are neatly arranged in rows. The cafe has a European style, possibly French. The weather seems pleasant and mild. This picture shows a simple and calm moment during the day.